All right, adding music is very simple. It's just like adding anything. I'm not going to show you how to go to the website and find the music. I've given you the links on how to do that, and that's in the assignment on Canvas. But once you have music downloaded, it's very simple. So you'll go to two options. You can do Control I, which is for import, or you can double click in your library, and it will then let you actually go and find the music that you've downloaded. So I'm just going to find some music that isn't something I downloaded, it's just something I bought, but you have to find something that's free because I'm not using this video to make any kind of money unless my YouTube career takes off, which I don't think is going to happen. So I'm going to just take some music that I have. I don't, here, because I'm going to try and pick something that is instrumental. And you import it, okay, double click on it, and once it's imported, you're going to drag it to a different audio level. So I don't have any audio on this right now, so I can put any part of it. You're going to put it on that level, and you only want the music to be as long as whatever else you have, because otherwise you're going to have an exceptionally long video here. So I cut that and I deleted it. So once you've got it, I guess I should actually turn the sound on. Once you've got it, you can play it. This music is a little sinister for the cute picture here, but let's imagine this was the part of the music we wanted and I didn't just randomly cut it off. So let's say this music is too loud. We want it to be quieter because you don't want to scare everyone. If you want to turn your music down or turn it up, you want to go up to Window, you want to go to Audio Track Mixer, and then you want to, so we see I'm on A1, you can turn A1 up, and if I were to do that, you'll notice a slight difference here. We don't have the contrast with voices. Or you can turn it down. Maybe I want to make it way more subtle. All right. So you're going to play around with it till it's perfect. If you decide to have music underneath people talking, you want to make sure that that is not distracting, that it's subtle and complementary, not overpowering. All right. So once you've got it all set, that's pretty much it. You're done. You have to have music on some part of your video for this practice exercise. That could be the credits, that could be the title, that could be throughout. It's up to you, and you want music that actually works with whatever's going on, not just random music that you picked so you could use it as an example. All right, that's it.